Hi Dawn, I'm going to teach you how to use Iowa AEA Online and Britannica Online to find level readings for your students. So the first thing you do is go to iowaeaonline.org. You'll be prompted for a username and password, which every student and teacher in our building has access to, and I will give that to you separately. So once you've logged in, you will see this menu of different resources that are awesome, that are free of use to you and students. But for this purpose, let's focus on Britannica Online. So go ahead and click it. And what you'll see is that there are 3 different versions: elementary, middle, and high school. So I'll go ahead and start with middle school. And you can either click on it or just type right here what you're looking for. So I will type in branches of government. So my first hit is United States government, and that looks like what I want. So I'll go ahead and click on that article. And you'll see that at the middle school level, this is information about government. This might have more information than you need, but there is a table of contents. I know that you're focusing on the branches of government. Here's your information here. These nifty little things are actually a table of contents that will take you right to the sections you need. The table of contents is down here as well. So the nice thing about this is that within the middle school level, you see that there are actually different reading levels within the middle school level. So you can click to a lower reading level, and you see that it still contains information. It's just more appropriate for a lower reading level. Another cool thing this does is it will actually read the text aloud to students. So I'll go ahead and click listen. I hope you can hear it on this free version of the screencast.
Introduction. The United States government gets its powers from the United States Constitution. The Constitution organized the government into 3 equal branches: legislative, executive, and judicial. Legislative branch. The United States government gets...
Okay, so that's a really neat feature too. So if you find the articles and you don't want them to be able to use the electronic tools, you can always print the articles. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is show you the Britannica School for high school level. I'm just going backwards. Same thing. So I'll say United States government. Having typing problems. So you see the same thing here. Within the high school level, there are also different levels of reading, and it also does the read aloud feature, but this is just even more in-depth, yet there are still differentiated levels within this highest level. Again, you have the table of contents down here: government and society, table of contents, constitutional framework, and there are your branches of government. So the last thing I'll show you is the elementary version, which would be for your students who likely have individualized education plans, maybe level 2 or 3 students, probably level 2. So same thing. Okay, sorry, I didn't mean to click that. Okay, so again, within this you see different levels of reading, but it's structured more appropriately for elementary students. Okay, here we go. So you have one, this is the lowest reading level. It's just giving you the real basics. But it's still pretty informative. It's just at an appropriate reading level for a typical elementary student. The formatting is just a bit different. Again, different reading levels, within that. Looks like the second reading level takes it right to the middle school. Very convenient. So that's just one way that you can find these sorts of articles for students. I'm not sure, I haven't explored the elementary one as much as others. I'm not sure if it will read aloud to the students. It seems like it should. There are additional extensions that you can get on the Chromebook that it wouldn't matter what website you were in, it would still read it aloud to the students if that was something that would be helpful to them. So if you need any help with this, I'm happy to. I thought it'd be easier to do a screencast to show you how this works, and I will talk to you soon.